I'm Kim Proctor, and I'm going to show you how to create a taser out of a disposable camera that can be found in a normal store, such as a gas station, Walgreens, H-E-B, anything. Here we go. The first step is to use a normal flathead screwdriver, and you're going to take off the case here. So just pry it open. Alright. Next, we're going to get our two wires, and we're going to strip the wire from about this far with your scissors here. Oh, there we go. So we've got our wires here. We're going to twist them around to keep them together. We're going to do the same thing to the other wire. Keep them together. Now we're gonna get our capacitor, which I received out of the front of the camera, and I'm gonna go to the back here. This is just a circuit board, and you know, they all connect to each other. These are the metal connectors to the flash, which is what is going to create the shock. You're just gonna put it through like so, and you're gonna want to twist it around really tight. A little harder to reach on this Kodak camera, but the front part of the camera here, and I'm gonna put it back on where it originally was. Make sure my wires go over here. Like so. Then I'm going to use some electrical tape to take the wires down. And then they're going to come across where they're going to attach to the screws that we'll screw in. Screw in 2 holes, as I've already done. You're going to get 2 screws. You can also do this with wire, so here we go. I'm going to place the screw into the hole that I've already made and start screwing in. You're going to want to screw it in about this far. Now you get the other screw. Screwed in the same length. Alright. See? Now they're about the same length. And they're far enough. Now, I'm going to grab my wires and put them through the hole here. See? And flatten them out. I am going to wrap the wire around the screw here, close to the plastic as possible. Pretty tightly. First we need to put in the battery. Oh, this is the dangerous part. It's gonna already start to charge. And now we'll put the back on. You can see how the wires are really tight onto the screws. Snap the camera back in place. And now we've got our taser.